Hello and welcome back. We, CatchyMinds, introduce a new course for AI. As AI is for everyone, let us learn AI from scratch to real life projects. Discover how artificial intelligence can transform your everyday life and how you could work with it. So this September, let's start to learn AI. Now, AI is already in your daily life. You already know about it. But do you know that AI can help you with meal planning and grocery planning? It can also schedule your reminders even before you need to plan it. And it can give you personalized recommendations for your students, for your children, for your husband, your family, or your business as well. Now, when I talk about AI, do you know AI can help you in the kitchen? It can become your chef, nutritionist, and your shopping assistant. How? AI will help you in the meal planning. It will give you an idea for the recipe or a meal. Gang also I check shopping list with quantity what would be required for that particular meal. And finally a comprehend recipe which is there as your mother while you cook a new thing. So be a chef with AI. Now you are a mom or you are a teacher. Can you know that AI can help you in teaching? And if not, then you're a student for sure. Because learning is never ending. So it can help you learn. It gives you your interest personalized lesson plans. It can help you with giving you practice problems and explanations timely. And it gives you new adaptive teaching when required with your interest. So, wait, it's not end. If you have a business or you want to start a business, then AI is for business and marketing. It helps you give a proper content for social media. It will also give you an insight of analyzing your customer, their wants and their requirements. And based on your content, based on your product and your insight, it will give you a perfect marketing strategy for a budget as well as monthly content planner. Start your business with AI. Now, once you've started, you will have projects, you will have problems, and AI will help you to solve it. It will help you brainstorm a new product to launch. It will help you step by step to guide you how exactly you launch it. And finally, it will help you with automating your work so that when you're busy with your family, AI is doing your business. The challenge. Where do you start with? You know what is just going, but will you go it? There are too many schools. Which school is exactly made for what? No clear path. You're going to know. There are so many different things. And you're going to feel that it will turn your results. Or you're going to have time. The answer isn't more information. It is just structure planning, which Catchy Minds will give you. So, we launching this September a special course for AI for beginner, where from scratch to project, from zero experience, you start a hands-on day one learning, and finally you apply as a master's AI in your life. The result is no waking, no fluff, just the right way of right skill. Ready to master AI? Then join us this September. Learn the practical skills confidently. Use it in your everyday life. Personal projects, business growth, family planning. Learn everything. Enroll now and transform how you work and create smartly.